Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah. Old dirty Ghana boy. Your day is coming. Your day is coming. Whoa, yeah. Old dirty Ghana boy. Your day is coming. Your day is coming. Slapping away granny and pitney with impunity, like you are God Almighty. But that's not so. Oh no. I hope when your time comes, they show you no pity. Murder you just like you murder people on the street every day. Old dirty Ghana boy. Your day is coming. Your day is coming. Whoa, yeah. Old dirty Ghana boy. Your day is coming. Your day is coming.
Ring the alarm, another youth gone. Open up the scriptures, make we chant another psalm. Them dirty boy and not come. Them a worship fire. Killing all the baby we just born. Another song of tribulation. I come to sing too much bloodshed. Bloodshed on the rhythm. Them glorifying the gun thing. I teach the youth them gun sling. See another bother balling. We are one them.
Old dirty Ghana boy. Your day is coming.
And Bing's Day came today. Yeah, man.
On the spot news media, we got the latest news. We don't care about the views, we just representing right. Put local news internationally every night. On the spot, wave that Jamaican flag from left to right. Let's get it right, y'all know the type. We ain't dealing with the hype. We make it take flight.
Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, what go on. A blessed and wonderful Thursday evening to each and every person out there tuning into On The Spot News Media. Now, my peeps, I don't know how we do it over on this side. So we have a few stories to share with you, the regular members of Chan Public and also members of the diaspora. So please like the video, share the video, watch the entire vlog so you can get a full understanding and a better appreciation of everything we are going in a Jamaica. So what you know, my peeps, just before the On The Spot News Media intro, you would have heard the old Dirty Ghana boy anthem rang out. And the picture was also there. Now that picture is the picture of the now deceased Stewart Burton, otherwise known as Bing, who traverses the communities of Angola, Havana, Jonestown, Mexico, all of which is in the Kingston Western Police Division. Now this criminal element was recently featured on the Spot News Media as he was said to be one of the main Nakis and Clappis that took the life of this man, presently on your screen, identified as Clive Wims, otherwise known as Ocho, in the streets. So, as I stated in this vlog, presently on your screen, this vlog was done about 4 days ago, so it's not a long time ago, most definitely. I made mention in this vlog about the one jungle regime, the one Arnett garden system, who is said to be run by another top tier criminal element who is presently behind bars, known as 90 in the streets. Now, many of the ones and ones them, for some reason, they think that when On The Spot News Media comes here repeatedly on a daily basis and call out the doings, the behaviors of some of your most favorite criminal elements like Bing. When I feel say on the spot news media, hate the youths and we are fight against the youths and all we want to see the youths them no longer among the land of the living. Well, just so you know, it is the total opposite of that. On the spot news media, and I hate them, you know. What on the spot news media hate is the dirty kind of boy lifestyle and the regular knockings and clappings that them continue to carry out and unleash their wrath on you, the regular members of Chan Public. That is what on the spot news media hates. So Bing was one of those criminal elements that has been featured on the spot news media over the past couple of years. Several vlogs been done on this criminal element, Stewart Burton, aka Bing, in the streets. So Bing pretty much like many other ghetto youths. Got a good school, have a little bit of education. So man a fool, but he chose a criminal lifestyle. He chose the path of criminality. In fact, Bing went to the prestigious Jamaica College, and of course him drop out of school because him decides him going to turn to a life of crime. Bing pretty much like his dad before him, suffered the same fate, as his dad was a criminal element himself. So the father, so the son. Pupa was a corner boy, same so in come. But Bing grew up with a mother that, for some reason, she make the love of her child overshadow the fact that he's in the wrong and he's doing wrongs. I don't know if she's just being naive to the fact that her son is a criminal element, or she's just one of them mothers that colluded with his wrongdoing. But I will give his mother the benefit of the doubt, given the fact that she's from a certain type of family background, that she's just playing a blind eye and a deaf ears to everything that has been feeding to her over the years. So Bing met his demise because he decided that he's a part of the one jungle, the one Arnett Gardens system. So I stated this in my peeps after the fatal knockings and clappings of Clive Wims, aka Ocho, that many more lives will be taken. And who and behold, Bing, one of the top knockings and clappings that was on that fatal knockings and clappings, fell prey to the same system. Now the fact that Bing lose him 3 points right pan Femins, right at the corner at Cali Smith Drive and 8th Street, him walk go buy a patty in the shop right pan the corner. Given the fact him lose him 3 points right there so. Pick sense out of nonsense now, my peeps, and add 2 and 2 together. I've always stated on this very program that there is no loyalty among thieves, and the fact that Bing lose him 3 points right there so in a theme territory, pan theme corner, that says a lot. Yeah, man. So watch this now. We see all of the crossmites them come out on a ball who want a baby mother, a side chick, or him present girl, or a girl we want him because Bing is a youth we have a whole heap of fractal all about the place. So we see the whole heap of them come out and I shed them crocodile tears. And I say, boy, them Lord and Savior gone. Yeah, man. Now, the funny thing about this, we get a video with Bing lifeless body in a one wheelchair. I can't seem to understand when a person is brought to the Kingston Public Hospital suffering from a whole heap of can up wounds. I can't understand the reason for you put that person in a wheelchair. Not saying that Bing deserve anything better than that, But me just always wonder why them bring out a wheelchair for somebody we get can up. Wouldn't a stretcher be a better option? I'm just saying. But anyway, the video footage shows Bing dressed in a pink colored shorts, no shirt, no boot pan foot, sitting upright with his head tilt all the way back into a wheelchair. Me see some carnoon, one run through one of him hand, see carnoon in him chest, and one slap right through him chin. Yeah man, bust out the whole of him head back right open. So Bing definitely couldn't survive that brutal onslaught. Now, fingers are being pointed. Many people are say, boy, on the spot. This a set of man a touch him. Man them a say a Jonestown. A next set of man a say a Mexico man clear the way for Zim man them come touch him. Another set of man a say is a reprisal for the fatal knockings and clappings of Ocho. But because Bing is such a controversial figure, as Teddy Brookshot would have said in a shatters, anybody could have touched him. Yeah man, and I really see him where it go. But on the spot news media have his ears and eyes upon the ground. And in due course, we are gonna narrow in upon the knockers and clappers that took the life of Stewart, Burton, aka Bing. And even if we not zero it down to the actual trigger men, we are going to figure out exactly where to come from. Because a certain top tier criminal element name was mentioned the other day. Say if him not fall in line, his head will be next and 9 is splatter. So I could see how this one work out. But one thing for sure, persons living in and around those communities, you no need to start look out on a corner if you not start look out at it already. Because this is far, and might I say far from over. Many more will have to suffer and many more will have to die before this one Arnett Gardens, one jungle system regime is totally diminished or depleted. So it was just Sunday we gone, you know. His friend, his criminal accomplice, confidant, friend, whatever you want call it, Kemar Campbell, presently on your screen, aka Doggy. Some man see him come from a funeral in a Spanish town and can up the markets where him a drive left, right and center. Luckily for him just escape with a one graze I'm side. But I'm pretty sure that all of them bullet hole the way in our markets was meant for his body, and the graze when him get on the side was meant for lodge in our side, literally. So they know that they are being opposed with this one jungle, one regime system. So that last vlog that I did and named Bing in that vlog was most definitely a warning before the conning, and he got his this morning. Boy, me I tell you. Now Doggy, the man them want your head pan a platter. Ropes, you are next. It's just a matter of time, you know, because your opposers, the other criminal elements in Arnett Gardens who now work with the one done system in the place, I go put up a strong opposition against you know. Yeah man. So one by one, criminal elements from both sides of the fence I go end up lose them 3 points. And you know what is really laughable, my peeps? Majority of them little youth I wanna see a run up and down and a knock it and clap it and a fight for the cause of Carlos Vassell, aka 90. Most of them never know 90 personally. Them just know of 90. Cause when time 9 got prison, majority of them youth here still a wear pampas. So me really not understand what the fight is all about. But I guess these youths in my peeps is just a bunch of sheeps being led. Them literally have a peas for your brain because them cannot think for themselves. And the funny thing about this again too, Bing has his family members living in a certain area where him a man in that area there, in a war. So quite clearly, him not loving people, them none at all. Because why would you put your immediate family member's life in danger like that? But again, as I stated, no loyalty among thieves. So anyway, my peeps, if you don't need to know more about this one jungle regime that me I talk about, I did a vlog and I covered it extensively and also named the top tier criminal element named 90 in that vlog. So if you don't want to have more information on it, watch the vlog here presently on the screen and get the much needed information so you can tie it in with this one and make it make sense. And there's also a lot of other videos done on the criminal element known as Bing. Just type in Bing on the Spot News Media and you will see a portion of them video there pop up in your feed. So you can watch them and say, boy, this criminal element here is definitely one that was, I would say, living an overtime. And he met his demise this evening. So again, to the regular members of Chan Public out there who lives in and around these communities, be on the lookout and keep yourself in the know. Be cognizant of what is happening in your immediate space because this war is far, far, and might I say far from over. Yeah, man. So anyway, my peeps, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to On The Spot News Media as I continue to bring you fresh news and updates in subsequent newscast. On The Spot News Media. Yeah, man.